first time.
Yes.
What? Oh, are you taking a picture?
Oh, hi, Kimmy.
Guys, I'm gonna watch the scary movie now.
Hey, I got it. Hey, Taylor. Hey, we're gonna watch them in a little bit.
Guys, let's watch Paranormal Activity last. Because that's not as scary. No, that's scary.
Hey, does anybody need to change their clothes, or do you guys want to get ready for
Yeah, I'm gonna wear my Starburst shirt tonight.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear my Starburst shirt. I'm gonna wear my Starburst shirt. I didn't bring pajamas, so I'm gonna sleep in my underwear.
No!
Come here, man. Come here, everyone. Come here, Ashley. I'm taking off my underwear tonight.
I was getting Sarah.